brother, one half of the Blood Brothers, and this show I think is going to be revolutionary. I firmly believe that. I think it's a groundbreaking piece, and Sergio is brilliant. He's brilliant. So, and then the whole company is just triple A game. Everybody's bringing in triple A game. And what I think is going to be just a ferocious piece, and I don't think people are ready for it, but yet they will be. That's what I got to say. That's my bro.
People, what's up? What you guys want to know about me? My name is Wallace Smith, and right now we are in rehearsals for White Noise, and it's an amazing piece of theater. I don't think there's anything that Broadway has ever seen like this. Our director is incredible. The other actors and performers, the energy in the room every day. It's really a life-changing process. So if you don't have tickets to see White Noise, you can get your tickets right now. Come see us in Chicago, April 9th.
Previews start April 1st.
That's it. You need to come check us out though.
Yeah.
It's a life-changing experience, White Noise.
Life, liberty, and happiness.